Dear students, today going to further operation of rational number. Operation of rational number. In this regard, we will try to find out solution of this question. Simplify and then find value of a and b. We will simplify it first and then we will try to find out value of a and b. So take this question. 5 plus 2 root 3 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to a minus b root 3. Right? Now we will take only this and simplify this only. As we know that first of all we should try to rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. For this, what to do? डिनोमिनेटर को रेशनलाइज करने के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? सेम से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, बट प्लस की जगह क्या यूज करेंगे? माइनस. एज यू नो वेन, सो मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाई 7 minus 4 root 3. Just same thing, changing the signs. Now this is 5 plus 2 root 3 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 multiplied by 7 minus 4 root 3 as well as 7 minus 4 root 3. So first of all try to this multiply. This is a plus b and a minus b as we done in last class. A plus b minus b means a square minus b square. Now in the numerator both are different, so we will just multiply like a binomial. 5 into 7, this can be written as 5 into 7. Again 5 and this is minus and this is plus, so this will get b minus 5 into 4 root 3. 5 into 4 root 3. Now taken this term, plus 2 root 3 into 7 will give, plus is plus 2 root 3 into 7. Again plus into minus gives minus 2 root 3 into 4 root 3. This is 2 root 3 into 4 root 3. And the next, a square means 7 square 49, b square means 4 root 3 square. 4 root 3 square. You can write here square of 4 is 16, square of root 3 is 3. Square of 4 is 16 and square of root 3 is 3. This will give you 48. Now combine the numerator. 5 3 ja 5 7 ja 35 minus. In this case we have two type of number. This is rational and this is irrational, root and without root. So root always multiply by root if roots are same, and without root multiply in without root. So in this case 5 and 4 have no root, so 5 into 4 becomes 20 and root 3 is always written here. Now plus, in this case also same thing, 2 is have no root, 7 have no root. So 2 and 7 will be multiplied. This will get 14 into root 3 never multiplied, root 3. In this case minus is minus, 2 multiply into 4, 2 4 ja 8. As we know that root 3 into root 3 gets 3. Same root multiply होगा तो root खत्म हो जाएगा. Once again 5 into 7, 5 का multiply 7 होगा 35. रूट का मल्टीप्लाई रूट में होगा और विदाउट रूट वाले नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई विदाउट रूट में होगा इफ रूट्स आर सेम. तो 5 और 4 दोनों में रूट नहीं है, इसलिए 5 into 4 गेट्स 20. रूट 3 अकेले है, कोई और रूट नहीं है, सो दिस विल राइट लाइक दिस। नाउ हियर आल्सो 2 पे कोई रूट नहीं, 7 पे कोई रूट नहीं, दोनों विदाउट रूट है, इसलिए आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे, बट रूट 3 वैसे लिखा जाएगा। हियर आल्सो 2 and 4 gets 8, but root 3 you can see here also root 3 into root 3 gets root 3 square gets 3, as we studied in previous classes. Now so now add and subtract the like first part, complete the multiply. 49 into 48 gets 1, and 35 and 35 and this is 20 root 3, this is 14 root 3. We can say in other words, simple word, 20 तो रूट 3 यहाँ पे निगेटिव है, 14 तो रूट 3 पॉजिटिव है। ठीक है, हमारे पास रूट 3 कट है, 20 तो निगेटिव है, कटो पॉजिटिव है 14 तो 20 तो निगेटिव है, 14 तो पॉजिटिव है, दोनों मिला के कितने बचेंगे आपके पास? दिस विल बी 6 रूट 3। कौन ज्यादा है, कौन मोर है? नेगेटिव वाला, तो जो चीज ज्यादा है वही बचेगा, माइनस वाला ज्यादा है इसलिए माइनस वाला बचेगा। नाउ दिस इज 8 3 जा 24, ओके। 35 एज इट इज, 20 रूट 3 प्लस 14 रूट 3, 14 26 minus 6 रूट 3 because minus is more, and 8 3 जा 24. This will be 35 minus 24, it is like term, is like term. So 30 minus 5, 24 is 11, and this upon 1, no matter 1, denominator 1 है, so you can divide it. 35 minus 24 gets 11, and 6 is 3. Here we observe that these two are not a like term. It contains root, it without root. It is irrational number, it is rational number, so operate नहीं हो सकता, as it is लिखा। Now your simplification is completed and gets 11 minus 6 root 3. Now further we get 11 minus 6 root 3 equal to a minus b root 3. Your left hand side gives 11 minus 6 root 3 and right hand side is this. This is for the finding value of a and b. Just photocopy these two terms. Here are rational term is 11. Here are rational term is a. Irrational term is 6 root 3. Irrational term is minus b root 3. So we can write here a equal to 11, b equal to 6. Just look this in the simple way. We can write 11 minus 6 root 3 as well as 11 minus b root 3. So this is a term which is rational. This term is taken from here. This is like this. Just you can do photocopy it. A 11 and minus 6 root 3 equal to minus b root 3, minus cancelled out, root 3 cancelled out, b is 6. ठीक है, जस्ट ये फोटोकॉपी है, दोनों साइड में आप सिंपल सेम टाइप के टर्म्स का आप फोटोकॉपी कर लीजिए, आपको सेम मिल जाएगा ए क्या है बी क्या है। ओके, नाउ टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. This is also write you for your help. If x equal to 5 minus 2 root 6, then find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Right? Similarly, there will be many questions. Second, root x plus 1 upon root x. and you can write here also x power 4 upon 1 plus x power 4. So in this question given x equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. In this question you find that here what you have to find 1 upon x appears anywhere someone. So first of all we try to find out by simplifying this x and 1 upon x. This x equal to this, and so 1 upon x equal to, you can write here 1 upon 5 minus 2 root 6. Right? In the last process we have seen that we should be rationalize this denominator. For rationalizing this denominator, what we can do? We can multiply this by 5 plus 2 root 6. That same number by changing the sign in numerator and denominator also. We studied in the last class also. Just write the denominator. So 1 upon x is this. Since denominator becomes here irrational, so first of all we will rationalize this. You will get here in the numerator you will get 2 plus 5 plus 2 root 6, and the denominator in the same thing, a square minus b square, that is 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 25, and 2 root 6 as we see in the last question, 2 root 6 square, we can write here 2 square means 4, 6 root 6 square means 6. This is 24. Now, so 1 upon x equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 1, that is 5 plus 2 root 6. Now I am writing the denominator 1. So next find out the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Now x square plus 1 upon x square. We have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Don't mind it, just take this x plus 1 upon x whole square. This can be written as, according to this identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In this way, a is x, b is 1 upon x. So applying this identity, we can get here x square plus, this is 1 upon x square. We can write here also like this, plus 2 into a into b. Applying this identity, we get x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x. So the x plus 1 upon x the whole square will be x square plus, this can be written as x square plus 1 square is 1, x square is x square. Now this will be cancelled out, plus 2, right? Now you can put the values of the x and 1 upon x, and you will get here x square plus 1 upon x square. What is the value of x here? 5 minus 2 root 6. So what is the value of x here? Value of 1 upon x. Value of 1 upon x is this. We have solved it. 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Now simplifying this, we get 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 5 plus 2 root 6 here, plus, so sign of the bracket will no change. This is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, and this to be cancelled out, and you will get plus 5 gets 10 square equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Now this is 100 equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. 2 should be transferred here. 100 minus 2 equal to x square plus 1 upon square. So we will get 98 equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. Right? 2 transferred, and thus we have find the x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 98. Similarly, you can use this to find out the value of this. Having same x and 1 upon x, I am just giving a hint for you, and you should apply at home. First of all, complete this. Then, now, root x plus 1 upon root x whole square is equal to, using same identity, a square plus b square plus 2a into b. This will be cancelled out. Now this is root x plus 1 upon root x whole square is equal to x plus 1 upon x plus 2. Right? You can use the value of x and 1 upon x over here and then find the square root. Now this do at homework, complete it. Now write down homework. Write this to homework. You complete this question at home and do homework more. Simplify and find A and B. What is A and B? 3 minus root 5 upon 3 upon 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a root 5 minus 19 upon 11. First, second, if a equal to 7 plus 4 root 3, then find a square plus 1 upon a square b root a plus 1 upon root a. Okay, thank you. Now complete this one.